Starting around 27 September 2023, Axie boundlessness basically is exchanging at $4.48 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.95% in absolute most recent 60 minutes, which truly is genuinely critical. Axie truly has an extremely all-out market cap of $632,946,895, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $22,727,393 in an in every way that really matters, large way. This explicitly makes Axie endlessness, Axie, especially positioning at 51 in the digital currency market in an unpretentious way. On the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what is the Axie vastness cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Axie boundlessness by and large be certainly worth in 2023, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking? Is Axie endlessness a truly wise speculation or extremely worth purchasing in 2023, which for the most part is very huge? Will Axie's cost generally outperform its untouched high in an unobtrusive manner? These truly are our Axie vastness cost expectations for Axie's future, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Axie boundlessness, Axie's, value expectation 2023, as per the Axie vastness figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Axie's cost explicitly is supposed to in a real sense, cross an essentially normal value level of $7.10, the normal really least value worth of Axie limitlessness, toward the finish of the very current year, ought to sort of be $6.80. Besides, Axie can by and large arrive at a sort of most extreme value level of $7.73 in an unobtrusive manner. Axie's value conjecture August 2023, with respect to August 2023, Axie endlessness in a real sense, is supposed to generally arrive at a really least value worth of $5.77, or so they especially thought. The Axie's cost could generally arrive at a really most extreme cost of $6.49, with the especially normal cost around $6.31, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Axie vastness value forecast September 2023, the cost of Axie limitlessness for the most part is in a real sense anticipated to for the most part reach at a by and large least worth of $6.20 in September 2023, in a very enormous way. The Axie's cost could arrive at a really greatest worth of $6.81, with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $6.44 all through 2023, which explicitly is very critical. Axie boundlessness, Axie's, value expectation October 2023, with respect to October 2023, Axie limitlessness cost truly is estimate to arrive at a practically the least cost of $6.33 in a truly significant manner. The Axie's cost could in a real sense arrive at a kind of most extreme cost of $7.06, with the very normal expected cost around $6.57, which sort of is genuinely critical. Axie's value gauge November 2023, the Axie boundlessness conjecture for November 2023, expects that the Axie might arrive at a very greatest worth of $7.39, with a really least cost of around $6.59, so Axie's value estimate November 2023. The Axie vastness figure for November 2023 expects that the Axie may for the most part arrive at a sort of most extreme worth of $7.39, with a truly least cost of around $6.59, which truly is very huge. Discussing the genuinely normal value Axie can generally stretch around $6.83 for November, or so they basically thought. Axie endlessness, Axie, value estimate December 2023, for December 2023, the cost of Axie vastness by and large is somewhat anticipated to really arrive at an especially normal cost of $7.10, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of $7.73 and an in every practical sense, least of $6.80 in a sort of huge manner. Axie boundlessness past value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours, the crypto essentially has been somewhat diminished by 2.07% in its ongoing worth, which generally is genuinely critical. Assuming we in every practical sense look at the sort of current market cap of the Axie with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap truly is likewise down in a truly significant manner. Axie boundlessness truly is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins in a huge manner. The Axie really is down to nearly 0.32% in the especially most recent 7 days, which especially shows that Axie vastness exceptionally passed value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours. The crypto truly has been certainly diminished by 2.07% in its ongoing worth in a fundamentally significant manner. The coin in a real sense is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for especially past sort of couple of days. The coin could generally have areas of strength for essentially at the same time. We don't explicitly feel that it would a productive resource in exceptionally present moment, which is genuinely critical. Inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of Axie basically diminished by 52.340%, taking out an incredible truly normal amount of $4.92 from its by and large current worth, which really is very critical. This unexpected down explicitly implies that the coin essentially is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in every practical sense be a kind of really great in every way that really matters, purchase a valuable open door for fast venture, showing that additionally Axie can arrive at a for the most part, most extreme value level of $7.73, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. The 90 days cost change especially is near 61.81%. And the cost fundamentally flowed from a truly least in every practical sense, normal cost of $10.80 to essentially greatest truly normal cost of $12.31 in the truly beyond 90 days in a quite large manner. Axie limitlessness really is somewhere near 32.63%, with the genuinely greatest typical cost of the coin essentially was around $6.96. And the truly least fundamentally normal cost of essentially was around $6.76 in beyond 4 months, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Axie endlessness value figure 2023 facts. What will generally be Axie boundlessness extremely worth in 2023, which especially is very critical. The Axie's cost in every practical sense is estimated to all things considered arrive at a for the most part greatest degree of $7.73, with pretty least cost of $6.80 toward the finish of 2023, all things considered. Further appearance how assuming we basically look at the ongoing business sector cap of the Axie with yesterday's. You can in a real sense see that the market cap explicitly is likewise down, or so they explicitly thought. Does Axie limitlessness explicitly have a future, or so they thought? As far as value, Axie vastness certainly has an extraordinary especially potential to arrive at new levels, exhibiting that the Axie really is down to nearly 0.32% in the fundamentally most recent 7 days, which in a real sense shows that Axie limitlessness passed value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours. The crypto by and large has been by and large diminished by 2.07% in its all things considered current worth, in spite of prevalent thinking. It basically is gauged that Axie will increment in esteem by and large in spite of prevalent thinking. As per especially unambiguous specialists and business experts, Axie vastness can in a real sense hit the in every way that really matters, most